Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saro Arkidians, your clinical pharmacist. Welcome to another episode of Pharmacy Talk USA. So, what is TORISEL kit or temsirolimus? This medication is for renal cell carcinoma. TORISEL is a kinase inhibitor, indicated for treatment of advanced renal cell carcinoma. Temsirolimus is an inhibitor of mTOR, which is a mammalian target of the rapamycin. Temsirolimus binds to an intracellular protein, and the protein drug complex inhibits the activity of the mTOR that controls the cell division. Inhibition of the mTOR activity resulted in G1 growth arrest in treated tumor cells. TORISEL injection, it's an injection, as you see in the vials pictures over here, of 25 milligram per ml, supplied with a diluent for TORISEL. The recommended dose for TORISEL is 25 milligram, infused over a 30 to 60 minutes period once a week. Treat until disease progression or unacceptable toxicity. Some of the common side effects seen from TORISEL includes lab abnormalities, also includes edema, nausea, and anemia. Again, this is a medication about for renal cell carcinoma called TORISEL kit or temsirolimus for renal cell carcinoma. It's a kinase inhibitor which is used for advanced renal cell carcinoma. As I mentioned, it's an inhibitor of the mTOR, which is mammalian target of rapamycin. It comes in injection format of 25 milligram per ml, supplied with its own diluent. The recommended dose is 25 milligram infused over 30 to 60 minutes over once a week. This is very important to know, especially in those taking it for the first time and those healthcare providers being familiar with TORISEL kit for the first time. As you see in the picture over here, we have the TORISEL vial and the diluent together in the box. Some of the common side effects seen from TORISEL includes hyperlipemia, hyperglycemia, anemia, and elevated lab abnormalities such as elevated serum levels, serum creatinine levels, and lymphopenia. For more detailed information on this drug, refer back to the package insert, which will give you more information on the dosing, cautions, precautions, and side effects on TORISEL. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.